15 ways why you should engage and invest in a PST. Number 1. If there's one trait all PSTs have, it is persistence. Becoming a PST is hard. First, you need a depth about Scrum. Now, the kind of depth you can only get through years of experience combined with research and passion. Just having worked as a Scrum Master wouldn't cut it. Many PSTs are authors, regular conference speakers, or luminaries in other specific topics. But this is just the beginning. The process is strenuous and hard. You need to show communication skills, facilitation skill, keeping you cool under stress. If you are not really driven, you won't make it to the finish. Now think about as a PST as Scrum SEALs.